No, I'm serious. I'm so serious. It's like I have to influence you. That's influence on my dad.
Yeah, my dad does that. Just that. My dad.
Influence on my daddy. Hello. How are you? Hold on, disconnect you. That's what I say, guys. Evening. Do collect a cake. Do collect a cake that birthday girl. Hi, Mary Tender. Hi, Kizzy. How are you? Brenda. How are you guys? Evening. What should I say? There's a collect a cake that SIS made. When we say cake, is the cake nice, guys? It's time I love them. I like can I cake it like a knack. It's time I love them. It's time I love them. I like can I cake it like a knack. I love it. It's beautiful, Shem. So, guys, have you official countdown? Type official countdown here, Betty Dating Scanner. Type 48 hours. Type 48 hours, Betty Day. So, those that are in Joburg tomorrow, I'm not quite too sure what time, but just in case cannot be free, share talk and mini lunch in Scanner our Kono. So this is her birthday cake that she's coming to collect tomorrow. And this is our baker. It's telling you no time. Anyway, can you talk today? So you're the one who did the cake. Thank you very much. The cake looks amazing. Adam came to unpack. And do you have a Facebook page?
Yeah, I want to see Cupcake Muna.
Cupcake?
Muna. Cupcake
Muna. And your number?
081
081
568
1000. Okay. So I have put that number. It will put me to go my cake and my birthday in the near future. In the near future, and then you can get your details from me or SIS MELLY. I think she did advertise on the page earlier on. Could see. So I mean, I say, they can let it show what I was supposed to collect the cake earlier on, but I knocked off late. So I can move with a great shame. So you can cover it and then I can take it back to the car. So guys, those should be so nice. So see to collect the cake, and then those that are in Joburg, you can get hold of me or SIS MELLY. Maybe tomorrow we can do like a mini something, and those that are available. When anybody available, we town when anybody available, oh okay fine, we're available in Joburg tomorrow. If you want to do like a mini meet and greet Mangwana, we can sort of like do it and then mix and mingle. But talk about collect a cake from Mangwana, and then talk to the salon, talk to the cake and do this up a day, you know. And then tomorrow, okay, Salom, I'll look for your stuff tomorrow because I was busy. Kind of branch of Cape Town, but it's no flyer. It takes you 1 hour 30 minutes to come to Joburg because I'm doing it. Imagine, thank you very much, hey. Enjoy your Christmas and take care of the kids, hey. Thank you. Bullet no flyer, take it away. Mango flyer, take it away. Mango flyer, take it away. That was the girl of mid-range, guys. Came to unpack no pizza and I'm going to go. Hi, bye. How are you? Ndine you 52-year-old Shem. Nangash that we try live. So last night I called someone about something that and this is Lorraine. I'm Lorraine Makundu. Oh my God. But I'm here to talk business. No, wait. I'm so excited to talk to you.
You see, everyone knows you. Someone else will water. Lorraine was
and then we can do something nice for people in Joburg. But now I'm going to look at the cake them scanner. Mama boys maps. They are going to more sound. They are going to see. I have a cake. Look, I got a come on, sit up and I check a shot on this. Will it fit?
But I don't know anything.
I don't know anything. I'm doing another bar. Babe, if the cake sits at the back, is it fine?
Is it okay? I have to swing it.
I don't think so.
I'll think it. Let's see.
Oh, here in the middle.
Let's see.
In the light here.
Okay.
Bring it here, boys. We're going to swing with this type.
Okay. My diaries, I love you so much. Loving and a cake, sweetie. Thank you. I'll call you when I'm home.
Okay.
Alright.
The camera remote, so you have to wait for
no problem, it's fine. You can open from the upstairs, right?
Oh, yes,
okay, alright. Thank you. Enjoy your evening. Guys, no one am one. Town. I love you. Enjoy your evening. Enjoy your evening.